Hello my beautiful butterflies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me, and I thought I would hop on here today and review with you guys in abundance. If you couldn't tell by it exploding and spilling all over my night coffee table, I have an abundance of product empties that I've gone through so much so I had to just put them all in this lovely garbage bin. So I thought I would sit down here and review with you guys all these products, whether or not I would repurchase them. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get on into it. I feel awful for having accumulated this much trash in my house for this long. First, Garnier Micellar water. So I've never really been a micellar water girl. I don't know what it is, I've just not liked micellar water. Not even just the Garnier brand, just like micellar water and micellar, is it micellar or micellar? Whatever.
Micellar.
I've just never liked it. It leaves an oily kind of like filmy residue on my skin every time I use it, and I just don't like it. I don't like using it on my clients. Just not a fan. I won't be repurchasing this or any other type of micellar water.
Micellar.
In the future, so yeah, not a fan and won't be repurchasing. This is the Badescu facial spray with Aloe, Chamomile, and Lavender. This is amazing. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I prefer it to the rose water spray that Badescu sells. That is kind of like their bestseller facial spray. I used to get that one all the time, and I honestly prefer this one more. It's so much more calming and soothing and nourishing for my skin, and I really like it, and I would definitely be repurchasing this in the future. This is the Olehenriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This is amazing for any of you combination or oily girls out there or normal skin. You will really like this. It's great for any sort of active breakouts or anything like that, any sort of any sort of congested pores, anything like that. It'll be so great at just really clearing up your skin, making you feel really refreshed and just awake, and it feels amazing on your skin. The color of it too is just to die for. It feels great. I would definitely be repurchasing this in the future. It's an amazing face mask. The First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are incredible. I love these toner pads. I use them in the mornings, and they're also great for travel as well. They work so good. You don't have to worry about liquid leaking everywhere because they're not so soaked where it's like if you accidentally have it tipped upside down, you're gonna get leakage all in your bag. They just worked so well, so if you need to travel too, you could use them at day and night. I just like to use a type of AHA type of toner or something, like the Olehenriksen Glow Tonic, or sorry, the Olehenriksen Dark Spot Toner, or the Pixi Beauty Glow Tonic. Those are my two favorite toners to use in the night, so I used this one in the daytime and it worked great, and I will definitely repurchase this in the future. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. I really liked this hair mask. It worked so good. It conditioned my hair really well. My roots to tip felt amazing, and I will definitely be purchasing this again in the future. This is the Batiste Dry Shampoo, the clean, original, whatever one. I won't be repurchasing this because I do like the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I've used it for years and years and years. However, it leaves such an intense film in your hair, and I find I really have to massage it into my hair just to get it to not look like I have gray hair all in my roots, and also just not to, it just leaves kind of a white cast all in your hair. So I find even after I massage it in, like my hair just looks a different taupey color, and I don't really like it. And I just find it really kind of clogs up my hair. My scalp feels really itchy and stuff because I'm a greasy bastard and I don't shower for a few days. So yeah, I'm just not a fan of this. I find my scalp and stuff just isn't super comfortable. So I'm going to try the Dove dry shampoo once I run out of this because I think I liked that one more. So I won't be repurchasing this dry shampoo, but I did like it in the past. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is amazing. Oh my god. For any of you dry, sensitive, or even like normal or combination, like I have combination skin and I loved this moisturizer. It worked so good on my skin. I loved it too, to really cake it on my nose area when I was sick, or on my hands, or any sort of dry area on my skin. It just worked so well. It was super nourishing, and I would definitely repurchase this product. I highly recommend it. It's so good. I love First Aid Beauty. Their stuff is so good. This is the Pixi Beauty Rose Caviar Essence. This is an amazing product. It's kind of like a serum essence thing, and it was super liquidy, very nourishing, Felt amazing on my skin. This would be awesome for any dry skin people out there. I would definitely repurchase this for myself and highly recommend it to dry skin people as well. This is the Body Shop Vitamin C Microdermabrasion mask. I wouldn't repurchase this. I have other microdermabrasion masks like the Dr. Brandt one that I prefer. I just found that the granules in this scrub were a little too intense and a little too abrasive on my skin. And I also found that I just didn't feel like I could wash it all off after. I felt like no matter how many times I rinsed, there was still some stuff on my skin, which I didn't like. So I won't be repurchasing this mask. This is the Lush Charity Pot cream, body lotion hand cream thing. Oh my god, this is so good, especially in Alberta where it's so dry right now. This product worked so well on my hands. I used it to the very last drop till I was like scraping it out. It worked so well. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. This is by far one of the best creams I've found for like your body and anywhere just for being super dry. I wish it wasn't so expensive, but I'll definitely be repurchasing it. This is the Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Protect Lotion with SPF. This is an awesome sunscreen for the daytime and for any type of skin type. I won't be repurchasing it only because I found a sunscreen I like more, the Juice Beauty one. And I find that my skin has kind of changed over the years and my skin is a little more sensitive and this just is a little too... This is just a little too much for my skin now, so I won't be repurchasing it. However, I did love it in the past and I do recommend it for people with normal, oily, or combination skin. Just if you have more sensitive skin, it might just be a bit too intense feeling for your skin. This is the Olehenriksen Transformation Uplifting Eye Gel, and I didn't really like this eye gel. I loved the feeling of it and stuff, but my eyes didn't really like it. I have super sensitive eyes, so I have to be very careful with what I'm putting on them. So I won't be repurchasing this eye gel, mainly because my eyes were just so sensitive to it, but it could work great on other people, it just didn't work on me. This is the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. This moisturizer felt so amazing. I used it morning and night. It felt so good on the skin. I would definitely repurchase this product. It is really expensive, so I don't know if I will be repurchasing it right away, but if there's ever a sale or something in the future and I'm out of moisturizer, I would totally get this again. This is the Pixi Rose Ceramide Cream. This is awesome for any dry skin girls out there. You'd really love this. It's great for before makeup application as well. I love this on my clients. It works so good. I would use this on myself around my nose area when I was sick and had a bunch of like really dry raw skin, or on my hands or anything like that if they were super dry. So I would repurchase this. I do have another container of it that they gifted me, which was very kind of them. So I do have another container of this, which I'm excited to use. However, there are other super moisturizing creams I like more, so if I could repurchase only kind of one in the future, I probably would just get the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, but this is a great drugstore alternative. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. Oh my god, this mask is amazing for anyone. It's great as a super nourishing moisturizing mask. I've already got a tub of this, so I've already repurchased it. It works so well. I love it. And yeah, I can't recommend it enough. It just feels so good on the skin. And this is the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. It smells like pumpkin pie, so can you ask for anything more than pumpkin pie on your face? It feels so good. It's such an amazing exfoliating mask. And I've already repurchased this. I have a tub of it. And yeah, it's such a good mask. All of their face masks are amazing and they're so good. They're so good. Like, just get one. Just do it. Do it.
Do it! Just do it!
So this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream. So this was a really, really good moisturizer. It's kind of an anti-pollutant as well to all the lovely shit we have in the air. So it worked really great. However, I found that once I applied it to my skin didn't feel like it was nourished enough. It felt like it needed some other moisturizer over top of it. So that would probably be my one downside to this. I wouldn't be able to use this alone. I'd need another moisturizer with it. However, it did do a good job with the anti-pollutant kind of aspect with it that I totally would repurchase it again. This is the Jane Iredale Voluminizing Mascara. It worked really well. The wand was also fabulous. Super lush and big and thick and just great. It has little fibers as well in the mascara, so it just really made your lashes just thick and amazing, which I love. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and try not wear false lashes so much and just wear mascara more, and This is one of the mascaras that allowed me to do that for sure. This is the L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer. This is an amazing drugstore primer to really make yourself look glowy to the gods. I have a bunch of other luminizing primers right now that I'm going to finish up before I buy any more. However, I would totally repurchase this, and this is an amazing drugstore alternative for any sort of like Banana Bright primer from Olehenriksen and stuff like that. It just works so good at making you look really glowy and being a great base for your makeup application. This is the Pixi Beauty Rose Flash Balm. It's a 3-in-1 mask moisturizer primer, and I did really like this. It worked great on my dry skin clients. However, I don't know if I would repurchase it for myself. I just have other kind of dry skin products that I like more, such as the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. So I don't know if I would repurchase this for myself. However, for anyone with dry skin out there who needs a kind of drugstore product that does a bunch of stuff, this would be great for you because it's the 3-in-1 option, but it's super nourishing and really moisturizing. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper, and it's a brow gel, and I did like this. It's a good drugstore option. However, I won't be repurchasing it because I've stumbled across the Soap Brow, which I love a lot more for that super fluffy brow appearance, so I won't be repurchasing this. However, I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a drugstore brow gel that works well at holding your brows upward. And this is the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask. This worked great at decongesting my skin really well. I loved this and would totally buy it again. It was amazing. I got gifted this from my lovely girlfriend Megan, who's going through a bunch of makeup and skincare, so thank you, Megan. I love this very much, and yeah, would definitely get this again. And this is the O'Keeffe's Lip Repair All Day Lip Balm. I really hated this. Honestly, this is probably the product I hated the most in this entire review, so much so that this is the only product in this review that's not empty. I couldn't even finish it because I just hated it that much. The consistency of it is just like not, I don't know what it is, but it just like does not feel like a lip balm at all. It feels like almost like a hand cream or like Vaseline, but like not going on your lips, and it just feels like it's not supposed to be going on your lips, and it feels so wrong when you're doing it. I hated it so much, and it just didn't moisturize my lips at all. I just hated it, would not get it again. It was awful. The Kiehl's lip balm is my #1 hoe and will always be, because yeah, this just sucked. It was ass. I hated it. It was awful. This is the Sephora Almond Hand Cream. This worked okay. It didn't moisturize my hands as much as I would have liked. The Cherry Pot from Lush is much better, and I would definitely get that over this, so I won't be repurchasing this, but it was an okay hand balm. This is the Pixi Beauty Glow Mud Mask. This worked pretty well as a charcoal clear. Ooh, oh my god, I'm dropping everything today. This worked really well as a charcoal decongesting mask. I do have other decongesting mud masks that I probably like more, so I'm not sure if I would repurchase this. If you have more sensitive skin, this would probably be better for you than the Olehenriksen Cold Plunge mask, so this would be great for sensitive girls. But I have other mud masks I like more, so I would repurchase this, but I wouldn't at the same time, if that makes sense. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I love this concealer. I hate the applicator for it, and especially because I love it on my clients, I always have to pump it a million times and put it on my hand and then go from my hand to my client. So I wish I had a different applicator, but I love the product itself so much that I would repurchase it for sure. Last but not least, this is the Maybelline Falsies Mascara. It works so well. It's such a volumizing mascara. It really is true to the name, the Falsies Mascara. I use this on my clients all the time, and I love it. I also use it on myself, and I love it, and it's a great drugstore mascara, so I would definitely repurchase this again. And that is my product empties review. I hope you guys enjoyed it very much. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my Instagram as well, because I post a lot more on there. It's Beauty Redefined by Holly with some underscores in there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you would like to see this makeup look as well, I filmed an IGTV for it, so you will see that on my Instagram page, so go check that out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! I'm so weird.